voltage between the node M and N should be calculated here. Okay, here uh, resistance 1 ohm, it is connected in series with the current source. A 4 ohm resistance, it is connected in series with the, if this is the case, these resistors should be neglected because it is the ideal voltage, ideal current source, always through this branch 1 amperes current is flowing, always through this branch 2 amperes current is flowing, so that it doesn't have any effect on the circuit. So that if this is the case, so these two circuits can be neglected. I do rewrite. It is very important concept. You keep that point in your mind, that cross connected current sources are written according to my convenient. So do not disturb this M and N and write the values. 15 volt, 3 ohm, 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 10 volt, 2 ohm. Instead of giving this problem, it is given. They are one and the same. So these two are neglected because they are connected in series with the current source. They don't have any effect on the circuit. That's why the 1 ohm resistance and 4 ohm resistance, they are neglected. Keep that point in your mind. All right. Now, can it be converted into current source in parallel with the resistance? So current source in parallel with the resistance. So it is 3 ohm. What is current here? Current equals to V by R. V is 15. 15 by 3, it is 5 amperes. And 1 ampere current source should be written as it is. And 2 amperes of current source should be written as it is. Later, I do convert a voltage source in series with the resistance into a current source in parallel with the resistance. 2 ohm, 10 by 2, it is 5 amps. So it is M and it is M. All right. Now 3 and 2, they are in parallel, and 4 current sources, they are connected in a parallel, so that these 4 current sources can be converted into single current source, and 3 is in parallel with the 2. 3 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2, it is 6 by 5. 6 by 5 means 1.2 ohm. Then what about this? Here 5, 1, 2 and 5. You can see here this 5 and this 5 can be cancelled because same magnitude but opposite in direction. All right. So one is plus 5, another one is minus 5, so that these two can be neglected. So 1, here it is 1, I have taken this as a positive, and this is 2, it is as a negative. All right. This is as a negative here, so that it is upward direction is taken as a positive in this problem. Downward direction values should be taken as a negative here. Keep that point in your mind. Do not take blindly. I have treated upward direction as a positive. This is also positive. Downward direction as a negative here. Negative, -2 and -5. So that these two are neglected. What is answer here? Minus 1 amperes. So direction is this, but the magnitude is minus 1 amperes. It can also be written as, this can also be written as 1.2 is as it is. I can change the direction. If direction is changed, magnitude should be changed. Instead of it is minus sign, it is plus sign. It is there in between the node M and N. But what is asked question? What is asked question? Potential difference between the node M and N. potential difference between the node M and N. Okay, so what is that potential difference between the node M and N? So convert this into voltage source in series with the resistance plus minus. It is M and it is N, 1.2 ohm. What is voltage? 1 into 1.2, it is 1.2 volt.